Okay, in the video when I attempted to wire this up for the first time, I did have some issues, as you saw. It was quite frustrating because I was following the directions exactly. I even printed them out, exactly what to do when you first fire that baby up. So one of the things that happened a lot is I kept disconnecting. My router sits 10 feet over there, so I know it wasn't a distance issue. My laser works fine. The other the other CNC machine works fine as far as pulling files from the the cloud. But the fluid kept dropping. Here's your ESP32. No wires or anything are crossing over the top of that thing, right? So one of the reasons why I was having trouble, because I didn't pay attention to that particular image. This was my board. See that mess? Wires leaning over the top. Certainly not nice and neat like this one, because I did not read the directions close enough where it said don't do this. So that wasn't the issue any longer, but I was still disconnecting and I couldn't figure it out. So one of the things that they do is that when you first fire everything up, you log in to your through your Wi-Fi. You log in to Fluid NC, which would show up here somewhere. And that's where the issue was. Plus it was sucking up all the memory. I connected the Jackpot Fluid NC board directly to my Wi-Fi. And I did that by connecting directly to it, as the instructions showed. And then I went and changed how it connects in the flash section. And I'm going to put a link to a YouTube video from somebody else. And ever since then, I've had no dropping issues. I've had, before I could not connect to this network. So I had to unplug everything and start over. And I was able to, I had all kinds of errors like out of memory, warning, low memory. I had command can't be used unless Gerbil is in idle, whatever that means. I did make sure that I have a class 10 SD card in my Jackpot, so that's good. And basically the deal is here's the video that basically spelled out exactly what to do. And here I am to report on all the issues. Disconnecting from network, which was constant. So connecting the Jackpot directly to the Wi-Fi and then having my laptop just be on the Wi-Fi as normal and using the IP address to open up the web user interface. I even made a shortcut for it right here. It comes right on. See that? 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That should get me halfway here. I'm also going to go in and speed up my jogging speed. I guess I can do that right here. Yes.